Welcome to the Rescue Wagon.
The Rescue Wagon is a 5x8 cargo trailer conversion camper. We built the Rescue Wagon so that we could take it places that you couldn't take a normal camper. Off-road, we also needed something that was under 2,000 pounds that we could pull with our 2007 two-door Wrangler. To make a full-size bed, we actually had to create a slatted bed. So to create the slat bed, what we did is we have E-track that is built into the sides of the walls. So with that, you can get these brackets that you can put 2x4s in. But if you put 2x4s in, full 2x4s, it restricts the amount of space you have underneath. So what we did was we cut the 2x4s on an angle to increase the distance between the floor and the bottom of the bed so we could put tubs under there. And then we reinforced it with some metal from Home Depot all the way across, and we did it on the front and on the back to allow the space underneath to be larger. The next thing we did was we put slats the full length from one 2x4 to the next using 2 1.5-inch drywall screws and in each one, and spacing them just a little bit over one slat apart. Once I had the slats in place, I needed something that when I put my pieces to slide in and out, I needed something to hold it steady so that they didn't fall in and under and keep us from being able to put stuff underneath. So I took a 1/4-inch piece of plywood and used 3/4-inch drywall screws and screwed up from the bottom so that it would create a base. The next thing that we needed to do was have it so it would extend out. With the last way I did it with the plywood, it was one piece that came out together. We realized very quickly that that didn't work either. We wanted to have one side and then another so that we could leave one side in and have more room to fiddle around. So basically what we have is a very basic design. 2x4 screwed together on the ends, no braces going across so that we could fit stuff up underneath, and then just slats screwed on the top with 2 drywall screws going across. So as you can see, this is a very simple design, very lightweight. I didn't even bother to sand these down. You know, somebody could really take this and make it into a much more of a craftsman style project, but really I just wanted something that was quick and easy and functional. And these slide in, they slide out, and of course the mattress holds it down on top of it. Put the additional piece on here, and it's very, very easy, very simple, very lightweight. And to make life easier, we just put little handles on the end, and again, nothing fancy, just hardware style handles. And again, very simple design, just drops down in there, slides in, slides out. The bed holds everything together. The way the slats work, it gives you just enough give to have some flexibility while still creating enough firmness that you get a very good night's sleep. We have a relatively inexpensive memory foam mattress, and then we also have a topper on it. And what we did was we used a bread knife to actually cut the topper and the mattress, electric carving knife, I guess you could say, or turkey knife, or whatever you cut with it. And we cut the mattress. We got pillowcases for the pieces that were left over. So how we do this, once we get in and it's time to go to bed, we pull out one side, and then we place in the pillow or the mattress, place in the topper, and then now that side is ready. So we do the same thing on the other side, and usually I'm the last one in, so I pull this out, put those together, get up into bed. Super comfortable. Even once you have the full-size bed out, there's still room to move around. It's tight, but you have a full-size bed in a 5x8 camper. You can still get into the fridge, you can still use the microwave, you can still get into your clothes and different things like that. In worst case scenario, if you're having some difficulty and need some more space, you just slide one side back in, and then you're good to go. And the nice thing about these is they will actually, the porta potty is actually right under here if you need it in the camper while you're somewhere. so it can straddle it, and it works great. You can see how easy this is. It's lightweight. It makes everything very easy to use. And we do this because we want to be able to share with you, and we want to be able to share with others. If that helps you in any way, we are glad to do that. And if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, doing cool things, making something like this work in a very small camper allows you to be free.